My name is Eric. I've been working here at Aldan for about 2 years, and I work for the production line building shops. I got into cars through my dad and his brothers, or my uncles, pretty much. I grew up around them. They were building cars in their backyard, and I got this truck just because I wanted to, kind of be in that scene. One of my biggest mentors is my dad. This truck wouldn't be where it's at right now if it wasn't for him. So I like to shout him out, and all my friends and family. This is my 1974 C10, short bed pickup truck. I got this truck from a friend I met at a car show. He showed me pictures of it. It was sitting in his backyard. So I went to go look at it, and when I saw it, I was like, I knew I had to have it. So we went, me and my dad, we got it running, and I drove it home, and it's been a project ever since. And now it's here. Originally, it had the Suburban 90s front end on it, and I switched it with the 74 front end because I like the look a little better. But that's why you can see that the color is a little different on the front. And yeah, I'm gonna work on getting it all one color pretty soon. I threw on the US mags, 22s all the way around. My favorite thing is probably that it's a 74 since it's pre-smog. Also the looks you get when you drive it, that's also a good thing. I like driving it around, feels good. I like the noises it makes and everything. I like that it's a Chevy, so parts are available everywhere, cheap. It's great for a budget build. So I brought this truck in so we can do the all-in conversion kit on it. We're gonna do the control arms and coilovers and get the ride just right. After me and Gary install the coilover kit on the front, I'm gonna work on doing the body work, getting it painted, and then get the interior all redone, and probably put an LS in it, LS swap it with AC and everything so I can drive it anywhere comfortably. All right, we're about to get ready to install the coilover kit, so stick around for part 2.